Hello students, now exercise 21, doing problem sums we are doing. Now I will solve sum number 31. After spending rupees 300, a man found that he was left with rupees 100. How many rupees had he before spending? So how many rupees had he before spending? That we'll consider. Let the man had rupees X. Clear? And out of X, he spent rupees 300. He spent rupees 300. So he had rupees X. He spent rupees 300. He left initial amount minus how much he has spent. Clear? According to the problem, this equals to given rupees 100, that he was left with 100. So according to the problem, x minus 300 equals to 100, or x equals to method of transportation minus that side it is going becoming plus. So 400. So it is problem sum. You have to write down the answer in full sentence, otherwise 1 mark will be deducted. Answer: the man had rupees 400. Now very easy, see. If he had 400, he spent 300. 400 minus 300, how much is left? 100. So your answer is correct. Next one. The half of a number is greater than 1/5 of it by 6. Then find the number. Okay. Let the number be x. So half of a number means x by 2 is greater than 1/5 of it by 6. That means difference, according to the problem, difference between these two is 6. Half of a number is greater than 1/5 of it by 6. That means difference between them is 6. Now take the LCM. So 5x minus 2x equals to 6, or 5x minus 2x, 3x, and cross multiplication 60. Therefore x is coming 60 by 3, 20. Clear? Now my answer, the required number is 20. The required number is 20. This is the answer. Number 33. I think I have done 1/5 of a stick. Yes, I have done it. Now I will do some age related sum. Sum number 36. The present age of the father is 7 times that of the son. Okay. After 10 years, age of father will be 3 times of the son. Find the present age of the son. Okay. So we will consider, let present age of son be X years. Sum number 36. Let present age of son be X years. So what will be the present age of father? Present age of father is 7 times. Therefore, present age of father is 7 times means 7x years. Now after 10 years, suppose you are now 11 years old, clear? So after 10 years, what will be your age? 21. How it is coming? 11 plus 10, that year you are counting. So here also, after 10 years, what will be the age of son? After 10 years, age of son will be x plus 10 years, clear? And after 10 years, what will be the age of father? 7x plus 10. And according to the problem, it is told that after 10 years, age of father will be 3 times of his son. So 7x plus 10 equals to 3 times of his son. Clear? Then we have to open the bracket first by multiplication. 3x plus 30. Then x related term, bring left hand side. And 10 will go right side. X is coming 5. So what to find out? You have to find out the present age of the son. Yes. Therefore, present age of son is 5 years. Clear? So in this way, you will practice all the sums. In the previous videos, you have got the harder sums. What I have started from 50, 49, 48. In this way I have done. And in the last video, you will get some easy sum. One is age related, one is number, and one is money. Clear? So you will practice from this, and in online class, I will explain the other sums. Bye.